How much does engine misfire repair cost? Imagine driving down the road when suddenly your vehicle starts shaking or hesitating. You might be experiencing an engine misfire, a common issue that can lead to more serious problems if not addressed. Today, we will break down the costs associated with repairing an engine misfire, so you can be better prepared if you find yourself in this situation. First, it is important to understand what an engine misfire actually is. This occurs when one or more cylinders in the engine fail to fire properly, which can lead to a variety of symptoms such as rough idling, decreased fuel efficiency, and increased emissions. The causes of engine misfires can range from spark plug issues to more complex problems like fuel injector failures or engine timing issues. When it comes to repair costs, several factors come into play. The first factor is the specific cause of the misfire. For instance, if the issue is simply a faulty spark plug, the repair may cost between $100 and $200, including parts and labor. However, if the problem lies with the ignition coil or fuel injectors, the costs can increase significantly, potentially reaching $500 to $1,000 or more. Another factor to consider is the make and model of your vehicle. Luxury or high-performance vehicles often have higher repair costs due to specialized parts and labor. Additionally, labor rates can vary based on location and the type of repair shop you choose, whether it be a dealership or an independent mechanic. It is also wise to factor in diagnostic fees. Many repair shops will charge for the time spent diagnosing the issue, which can range from $50 to $150. This fee may be waived if you proceed with the repair at that shop. In conclusion, the cost of repairing an engine misfire can vary widely based on the underlying cause, the vehicle type, and where you choose to have the work done. Being informed about these factors can help you make a more educated decision when faced with this common automotive issue. Always remember to seek a second opinion if you feel uncertain about the diagnosis or the quoted repair costs.